Joel and I are learning Mandarin, so we're going to give each other disses in Mandarin and see how we do. Ni wen July, Saint John Lo Toi.
That's mean. That's not nice. Jilen Jiwai Jigwaga Juini. Right?
You're in Shahuni. Tashi Zalasi.
Yeah, his name's Alan. God, I haven't actually had a therapy appointment in a while. So.
You need one.
Yongze Hushi.
What does that mean?
You're a mouth breather.
What? I'm not a mouth breather. I breathe through my nose. It's kind of clogged right now.
It doesn't explain why it's hard for you to talk when you're walking upstairs.
You're so mean to me. Lao Hang Ting Salai, Zeng Tao Xin La.
Bro, I just got him cut. Why are you all so mean to me? Chao Ti Cha Zhu Bong Ju Jingda.
What does that even mean?
It means toe jam isn't permanent. You can clean them things.